Hi guys, today we'll be unboxing this bubble camera. So this bubble camera has cartoon appearance, colorful bubbles, and lights and dynamic music. So let's open it. Okay, so first in this box we have the camera, the bubble camera, okay. And what else do we have in here? We have the string for the bubble camera. And what else? Bubble mixture. Okay, that's all. So let's put this in. So you have to put it like this. One side done. Another side done. So it will be like this. So next we're going to put the battery inside. So you can see the batteries over here. So you need 3 AA battery, 1.5V. See, I have 3. 1, 2, and 3. First we need to put one inside over here. Okay, it's really hard to put the inside one, so I'm just gonna... Okay, I put the inside one, okay. Now the side one. Okay, I'm done with this one. Now this one. And done. So then just put the cap back on. Make sure it's tight inside. Okay, I capped it in. Now to put the bubble mixture. Okay, it's really hard to put inside a bubble mixture. So first, you'll see like this. First, you need to open your bubble mixture. It's really hard. Okay, I opened it. Then we just need to put this bubble mixture inside. It's really hard. So then you need to close it up. The closing part is really hard. Because it's really hard, guys. Seriously. Ugh. This is gonna take a while. Come on, why wouldn't it come in? Okay, there we go. Done. I think it fell out. Okay, then you need to put your bubble mixture like this. After you're done, close it back up. Okay, when you close everything up behind, you'll see this button over here. Just need it low, so let me show you. So, yeah, that's how it works. So, this is how you make it work. So, yeah. Bye. Till next time. Bye-bye.